back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I'm gonna be unboxing my Leny Box. Now, this is the first time that I've ever received a Leny Box. They sent this box to me for my review. I really don't know too much about this company. To be honest, what I do know is that they are a subscription. I believe they're $20 a month, and they're supposed to be 5 items that are full size inside this box. Now, this is my first one, and I'm gonna open it with you guys so that we can go ahead and see what's in here. So when I first open it up, there is tissue paper as usual, and then there are items in here. I see some boxes. The first thing that I'm seeing is this pink and black box by the company Cabella or Cabela. I don't know how it's supposed to be pronounced, but this is an anti-aging organic star oil. I don't really know what star oil is, so let's go ahead and open this up. So in here there is some type of oil. I see this pink and black bottle that is the star oil. Now let's go ahead and figure out what this is. Okay, so it's for the hair, and this says apply a small drop anytime into hands, use for more thicker hair, warm in hands and apply to your hair or skin. So is this for the skin or for the hair? I'm not really sure. It looks like it's supposed to be for the hair, although I don't know why. It also says it keeps your hair and skin youthful and glowing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my hand. I wanna see. Oh, it's an oil. It looks okay. I don't know. It's very greasy, as you can see. It looks like it's a hair oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that through my hair. My hair looks like a hot mess, but I guess it's a hair oil. It doesn't really smell bad. It just smells like oil. You know when you purchase hair oil and it has that, just the regular oily scent? I don't know if that makes sense, but this is a hair oil. For some reason I thought it was gonna be a little bit more liquidy, even though it said star oil. I don't know, whatever. So then the next thing that I'm seeing right here is this Vivo Diamond Collection, is the Black Diamond Line Expression Serum. So it looks like it's a serum for your face. This is also another brand that I do not recognize. Okay, and it flips back like this. This is the product in here. Looks pretty big, and it is a glass container. I'm not familiar with this brand either. I'm not really sure what this product does, but I guess we're trying stuff on today. Oh, okay, so this one came out like a gel. And oh, okay. It doesn't really smell. I can't tell. I don't think it has a scent to it. I guess it does absorb into the skin, although I don't know what. I've never tried this product, so I don't know what this does. I don't know if it's for the crow's feet, for the fine lines, or what. Expression lines. Are those like the lines that you get here and up here? I don't know too much. You guys already know I don't know what I'm talking about on this channel, but for some reason you stay anyway. Well, this was the next product, and it does look like it's a full size as well. So then I do see something right here that's bubble wrapped, and it's wrapped really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I probably could have just squeezed it through. Now what I'm seeing here is the color 8 color eyeshadow by Novo, this is yet another brand that I do not recognize. It has some Asian symbols in the back. I'm not sure what type of language that is, but I'm not familiar with this brand either. let's go ahead and see what this 8 color is the eyeshadow palette looks like. Okay, so this is the palette itself, and the packaging looks standard. Oh, okay. This product does have a mirror, and it has a film over the eyeshadows. And let's see how I can do this without like blinding you all. So right here you can see these are the shadows. They are pretty basic. They're just really neutral. I'm not going to swatch this because they're not something that I would typically use, just because I have a lot of neutral palettes at the moment, and I'm not going to swatch this because I might just give it to someone that might use it. It comes with a little applicator, you know, these applicators from back in the day that nobody uses, but still, for someone who doesn't have anything, it's useful. The next product that I'm seeing in here is called Doll Face, and it is a liquid matte lipstick. Okay, and actually it looks like it's sealed. Maybe I can get to it through the bottom because I'm not familiar with this product either. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna open it from the bottom since the other top is sealed. Okay, this is that product right here. It comes with the details on this is really cute. Like it has like a Barbie type head, if you ask me. And then it comes in this like matte shade container, but I don't know if my camera's picking it up. It looks like the product actually starts down here. Okay, I don't know. I've never used this product, and I thought the color was gonna be Scarlet Rouge because that's what it says right here, but maybe it swatches differently. Okay, it looks like a decent shade. I guess I will give this guy a try. Yeah, Scarlet Rouge is the color, and I love red, so I'm not mad at this. I don't recognize this brand as well. Like, this is a different... They're all kind of surprise brands to me. And then the last thing inside this box is this brush. Now, this looks like it's supposed to be a brow brush. You have your spoolie, and then you have what looks like a brush to fill in your brows right there. And is this a Tarte brush? It says that it's Tarte. I've never seen this Tarte brush ever. But I mean, I don't usually buy brushes from Tarte anyway. So it did come with this little brush, which I feel like is pretty good. I don't know. This spoolie feels standard. Doesn't feel too flimsy. And this brush actually feels really soft. Yeah, I don't know about this. This is the only one that I had like a brand that I recognize. So all in all, I feel that this box was very different for me, because usually with some boxes you can tell them your preferences and things like that. I don't typically like getting, you know, hair things, and I don't usually like getting serums if I'm not too certain about the products. But I mean, I can't complain. I will give these guys a try. I'm gonna go ahead and give this palette to someone else because I don't think I'll ever use it. But okay, so my opinion on this box is that you do get 5 full-size products, and they're interesting because they're brands that I hadn't seen before. I am gonna do a little bit of research on the brands. I don't recognize them, so just for my own sake, I want to know like what these brands are and if it's products that I should be checking out. So I know there's a lot of controversy with the Leny Box. I know that a lot of people feel that these are fake items. I don't know the validity of that. I don't know if these brands are actually working with them, but what I can say is that they promise you 5 full-size products, and that's what you're getting. So all in all, I thought that the box was pretty cool. It just opened up my eyes to some brands that I've never seen before, or that I've never like really thought about. I do want to check out this brand Doll Face because I love liquid lipsticks, and if this one is like, if it's good, you know, it's something that I would want to get more of. So I hope that you enjoyed my Leny Box review, sort of try on some stuff. And if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Gonz fam. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.